Welcome to Villegas Patterns. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cover snaps. Covered snaps are perfect for closing a coat or jacket. Just remember, they are not meant to be used when so much tension is added, for example, at the waistband. My snaps have a diameter of 21 mm, but this method works with any width. Each set consists of two pieces, the male and the female snap. As far as I could read, this is still what they are called. In Germany, we don't use this terminology anymore. To cover my snaps, I will use a rosa cashmere. Since I will only make one sample, I will cut a small square of fabric. The fabric needs to be reinforced with interfacing to ensure durability. For that, I will use a soft interfacing. You can cut the same amount of stabilizer by placing the fabric on the interfacing. Now, go to your ironing board and press the interfacing on the left side of the fabric until the glue dots are completely melted. Then you need to cut two circles to cover your snaps. Fold the fabric with the right side inside. Place your snap on the top and mark 1/8 inches from the snap edge. As I said, I'm only covering one snap, but you can cut many circles as you need. Now, cut the circles off. The next step is to make a hole in the center. The hole has to be a little smaller as the male snap. For that, I will use a buttonhole punch. Place cardboard paper underneath to ensure a polished cut. Before covering the snaps, I like to place the fabric as it will look at the end. On the male snap, the right side of the fabric must face up. The right side of the remaining piece should be facing the last piece, or just right to right. By doing this, you avoid covering the snap on the wrong side. Using double thread, hand stitch or running stitch around the circle. This running stitch must be made about 1/8 from the edge. Then pull the thread into gathers and secure it. Stitch large back and forth stitches to secure the fabric to the snap back side. To make sure the hole in the female snap stays centered, snap both pieces together and finish the female snap the same way as you finish the male. And this is how it's do it. Now it's time to stitch it to the garment.